Okay guys, welcome to another lesson of today. Yeah, shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Okay. So now for today I want to show you this gospel song. You need to start learning. Okay, you can play them in your church or your worship section. This song. Past me not, O gentle Savior, yeah, my humble cry. All that I for me, do not pass me by. Okay, so I believe you know the song. Pass me not, O gentle Savior. I want to show you the chord progression so you can start learning them. I want to show you this lesson in the key of D. This is the key of D. Okay, this is the key of D. That is the key of D. Okay. That is the source chord. This is the major chord. I have a source chord there. The source 2 chord. So the first progression is pass me not, O gentle Savior, hear my humble cry. Now play. Oh, da 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 do not pass me by. Then the chorus is like this. Savior, Savior, my humble cry, in my humble cry. Though I'm not really familiar with the song, but I believe you guys could know the song. Okay, so the first chord is Do, Mi, okay, So, okay, that is your fifth chord, which is A major. My humble cry. Okay, so your D sharp diminished to your B minor, okay, which is your La. Okay, your B minor, which is your La. Do you play your Re, E minor, not bad, to your A major, which is a Sol, Do. Okay, now the chorus is Savior, C, your G major, your Va, okay, yeah. Come back to your don't cry. Play your A major bar chord, which is a Sol. Now you not play now. Play your D major 7. Okay. Play that your D sharp diminish again. Okay. Play your B minor. Do E minor. Play your E minor. Do, which is the Re chord. This is your Re chord. This is your Re. This is your Re. Do not pass. Okay. Fa, Mi, Ba. Okay, I'll now play my, going to, instead of the Do, play the Va, which is the G major, okay? Do. Okay, so believe you could know the progression and also apply them whenever you're playing it in your church or any worship section. Okay, so if you have any question, any challenge,